Pu. Peace and blessings to all from Divine Peace Meditation and Yoga. This is Baba Sekou and Mama Imani on a fam trek toward the west this time.
Pu, good morning.
All right, grand rising, glorious rising. Let us show you what we're looking at. This is what we're listening to. This is the west end of 49th Street. Looks like it's low tide. What do you think? Think it's low tide? Be a lot more splashing if it was high tide, I think.
Let's look where it changed.
It's about to shift.
Yes.
You can hear it.
You can hear it.
See? This is the benefit of being married to a musician with perfect pitch.
See how the intensity of the water is getting?
Yeah, I hear it. It's getting louder. It's getting stronger. I hear it. We stepped out of the house and we got hit by a quick breeze, and the air was kind of stagnant the rest of the walk. We walked for about 20 minutes, and then we had to decide whether to stop here or to keep on going. The Bowling Avenue Lookout, as it used to be called, I'm not sure what they're calling it now. It was at least 6 blocks away, and we decided to practice a little self-care and take a rest right here. Not sure if we're gonna go all the way to Bowling Avenue today. Maybe over the weekend. I'm sweating profusely. We've had one stop for a water break. Nice sky. The sun will be getting higher and higher behind us. I just pan around slowly and see if we can't catch a glimpse of the sun right behind Baba Sekou. Still low on the horizon. It'll soon be high enough. All right. This was one of our thoughtful spots before the city shut down for C-19. We would bring our breakfast and our books and sit out here, usually on a Peace and Freedom Friday. Hashtag Shalane. Hashtag Hetep Yoga. Always take time to stop and think. Never be afraid to stop and think. That's a quote from A Raisin in the Sun. And our 4 youngins heard us quote it often. Never want to react if you can. Always cultivate an appropriate response. In order to do that, you have to stop and think. Many thanks for watching our Hetep meditation video to its end. Please give it a like. Please share with like-minded souls. Support our efforts to increase integral wellness in our own community. Book an online or in-person yoga session. The email to contact us and the love offering links will be in the description box. Go out there, make your Peace and Freedom Friday safe, make it healthy, and remember, we are already blessed in abundance. We just have to act like it. Blessed be.